Hello, Hilltop. Thanks for clicking to the next tile in our Unlock the Phone Challenge Terrific Tuesday lesson. So now we're going to add a little tossing element to this game. So instead of touching the numbers with your hands, now we're going to use some other equipment where you're going to try to toss the ball at a little you're going to toss a ball at a little target. Now what I have set up are little cups to knock over. And you can use, whoopsies, I dropped it, a little ball. And what you're trying to do is just knock the cup over that's on top of the number that you're trying to hit. So just like we touched those codes with our hands, we're trying to do the same thing, but we're going to throw a little ball at the object that's on your number. Because if you don't have party cups, that's okay. You can use anything else. Like I've got a bunch of little dominoes that I could stand on each of my little plates. And I try to knock that target over. So if you don't have cups for a target, you could find something else like a little domino, or maybe you could even balance a marker standing up on there, or any little toy like a Lego piece, something like that at home. If you don't have anything to put on the numbers, that's okay too, because you could just try to throw the ball and have it touch your number piece of paper or your plate. It just makes it a little more fun if there's an object to try to knock over. Now I'm holding a little orange ball to show you that you can toss at these objects. But not everyone's got this equipment at home. So what you could use instead, paper ball. So this was a piece of paper that I didn't need anymore. Maybe I got it out of the recycling bin. You know, you could find some papers that you don't need anymore that you're going to recycle. You could crumple them up into little balls. And you could use these for the game, and you can still recycle them afterwards. You want to have 5 total for this game. So I made 5 paper balls here. So if you need to pause the video to get paper balls, or if you've got some mini foam ones like I showed you, and you want to get your cups and your targets set up, it doesn't have to be cups. Remember, you could use a Lego piece, you could use a marker, you could use a domino like I had, or if you don't have a target to throw at, you could still try to get your paper ball to hit the little spot you've already put on the floor to unlock your phone. So how I can make this challenge a little more difficult for myself, I have to stay behind the boundary, but I could move the line further back. I could move it closer. And just like in the first part of our activity, you could move the numbers closer, or you could move the numbers further away. And I'm going to use those same level timers that we did when we were touching with our body. So I could go to level 1, and remember, all you have to do is click open the link, and then you can start throwing. And you try to hit over the cup or the object that each number has on there. I'm going to try this. I have to throw all 5 of my paper balls. Then I can go pick them up, bring them back behind my line, and keep throwing. Let's see if I can knock over the codes and unlock my phone in time. Level 1, I just click open link, and it plays on its own. Here we go. So I've got 15 seconds. I'm going to try to knock over my targets and stand them back up. Let's see, what do we got? First number combination is 2591. 2, 5, 9, 1. I hit them all. They didn't all fall over, but I hit them. And that counts. Run back. 1, 4, 7, 2, 1, 4, 7, 2. I did it! Try to stand them back up. Pick up my paper balls. 8, 7, 2, 1. 8, 7, 2. Oh, I didn't get it! 2, 1. Oh, I missed it. I gotta pick up my paper. I did it! Okay, stand them up. What's next? 7, 0, 4, 6, 7, 0, 4, 6. I did it! I hit them all. That one didn't fall over, but I still hit it. What's next? 6, 3, 9, 4, 6, 3, 9. I gotta get him stood up. 7, 3, 8, 1, 7, 3, 8, 1. I did it. I gotta collect all of my paper balls. 1, 0, 3, 2. 1, 0, 3, 2. I did it. I gotta stand them back up. I hope I got it. 9, 6, 3, 9. 9, 6, 3, 9. I did it. Oh, I knocked over the cup. You gotta set them up as fast as you can. Come back. 5, 8, 3, 3, 5, 8, 3, 3. I gotta pick them up. Will I get back in time? 2, 1, 3, 8, 2, 1, 3, 8. I did it. Remember to run back behind your boundary each time. 4, 8, 9, 2. 4, 8, 9, 2. I did it. I gotta get him stood back up. Let's see if I can get one more. Oh no, I knocked it over. 6, 5, 7, 4, 6, 5, 7, 4. I did it. I gotta get him stood up. Do I have time for another? Oh, that was it. Wow. So once I see finish, I just exit out. Woo! How did I do? Remember, you can make this game a little easier by moving the numbers closer together. You could even remove the throwing line altogether and just throw from wherever you'd like to. You could also make more than 5 paper balls. So those are some ways you could make this a little less challenging. But to make it more challenging, remember you could throw from further away and you could spread the numbers out a little bit. So I want you to try that for levels 1, 2, and 3. Encourage someone in your family to play this game with you. And maybe they can keep count on how many times you unlock the phone in time. All right, friends? Practice this activity, have a great time, and go Hawks. Bye, everybody.